Hi everyone. I want to show you today how to play deeper, more interesting, more compelling NPCs. I want to draw on the experience I have as an improviser. I've taught countless improv classes. I've done more than 100 live improv comedy shows. And in those improv exercises, actually, it's synergized quite well with the tabletop RPGs I've done over the last 20 or so years. And the exercise today, I should start with a little disclaimer that it's gonna feel a little bit awkward. It's gonna feel a little bit cringy. But that's our hobby sometimes as well. You're gonna play strange NPCs and do weird accents in front of your friends. So I urge you, discard those feelings into the fires of Mount Doom. Let go of it. Let go of your reservations and just practice this until it becomes normal and you'll be less worried at the table for, about looking weird or silly or whatever. Good. Let's start with the exercise. It starts off by walking around the room. I can't really with this camera, but walk casually. Pace up and down the room. Walk very normally, very slowly, in circles, in no real direction. Don't even follow a circle. Potter up and down your flat or house or wherever you live. Now that we're walking around, we're going to start picking a random body part. Pick your nose and start leading with that body part. It's leading you, it's pulling you into the direction in which you're trying to go. You can pick something subtle like one ear. Just walk with the ear a little bit and see how your walk changes. Pick your knee, your big toe, the frame of your glasses, your one eyeball, your chin, your shoulder, and just lead with that and see how your walk changes. Slowly get a feeling for that character. In improv, we sometimes talk about status. What's this character's status? Do they feel important on a scale of 1 to 10? Doesn't mean they're the king. Status 9 could be the greatest janitor that's ever lived, and they're instructing the other janitors. Do you have a feeling of status amongst your peers? Do you stand out? Do you feel little? Do you feel insignificant? Do you feel powerful? Now, get this feeling as you walk with this protruding body part. Now try an accent. Just try one. Whatever comes out, I'll try improvise something now. But if I lead with the nose, I do say, those scrolls are in the wrong place, young man, young apprentice wizard. Don't put them there. But whatever comes up. But maybe this wizard, you're like, that was a bit silly. That's not perfect. It was not quite what I'm looking for. Try many. Go through them. Maybe the person with the nose was something else. Maybe I'm protruding with my jaw and I'm like, hey, this is our country. Get out of here. Try a couple. Now go through those accents. See which one sticks. And then pick another body part. Remember, this is sort of like the process of brainstorming, where non-judgment is an essential part of that process. You can't actually, I shouldn't even be going, that's not the right accent, that doesn't work. We are brainstorming. We're reserving judgment for later when we filter out the ideas and the characters we don't like. We're going to walk around, pick some body part, lead with it, and try an accent. And maybe pick a topic and just talk about that topic and try out NPCs one after the other. And like going to the gym every day, do this regularly, as silly as it looks. That's the hobby anyways. The more regularly you practice accents and change your walk and your demeanor first, and that helps inform the accent, helps the accent take shape and the personality. Practice it in the car without the walk, but at least pointing your nose in a direction, and try accents, try talk about the weather and the this or that from a certain perspective. Just practice being a lot of characters. But the character walk is a powerful one. It works really well. give it a try and let me know in the comments, please, if this worked for you. This is an out there video. I'm going to do an entire series on improv tips and how improv helped me to either play or GM better in TTRPGs. Please let me know if it's worked for you or if it backfired badly. I'd want to know either way, friends. And if any of my videos has been useful to you, please consider liking or maybe subbing. It helps a tiny channel really grow, and I really appreciate the support so far. Have a good day. See you on the next one. And now enjoy some outtakes of just me practicing this exercise. And it sometimes works, sometimes doesn't, but you keep rehearsing and practicing until you get better. I'm leading with the nose. Oh, I do say that looks like a cursed sword. Oh. I'm leading, I'm walking, and I'm leading with my chin. I bake the finest bread in all of the town. If you find any better, I'll give it to you for free, but you won't. I'm gonna lead with the right eyeball. Ah, but I do say, sir, I do say, you must be those adventurers everyone had been talking about. I might have a bit of information you find interesting, good sirs. Maybe I lead with my chest. Well, did I have to pick a woman now? That was so inappropriate. I do say, welcome, dear noble travellers, to our humble inn. I say humble inn is the most expensive and fancy inn in town, but you can afford it. Sell one of those cursed swords or whatever, and you can have the royal suite. And so forth. There's some characters there for you. No, one edit there. Those were ridiculous. Enjoy.